Hello, dear followers. Welcome back to the United
Yeah.
States of America today. I'm taking you with me to explore the streets of the USA in winter. The cold air, quiet roads, and beautiful winter vibes make this place feel so peaceful. Look around. The streets are calm, trees are resting, and everything feels slow and soothing. If you like this place, share this post and subscribe. Winter in the USA has its own charm. People walk with warm jackets, coffee in their hands, and the streets tell stories of everyday life. No rush, just simple moments, cool winds, and the beauty of winter streets. So relax, enjoy the views, and walk with me through these winter streets of America. If you love travel, calm vibes, and real street views, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Let's enjoy together. The